So I wanted to make a quick video of kind of how I lock down my hood when I'm not around. I live in an area right now where I go to school, and I have a lot of good parts under the hood of my car, and it'd be pretty advantageous to lock my hood down so I wouldn't, lose those parts, come back and not have a carburetor or distributor or even worse. So I kind of came up with this idea with my dad here. This hood lock deal, and it's pretty nice. It's better than hood pins because they're kind of unsightly. So how it works is, as you can see here in its current orientation, my keepers still will move back, but if I were to come over here and slide it in here, as you can see, I kind of notched it out so someone wouldn't be able to get it out in that case. So kind of how it works is pretty rudimentary here. Is I'm going to put it in this orientation, and notice I have this wood block cut out here so it doesn't damage the top of my hood. So I'm going to go ahead and shut my hood down, move our stuff out of our storage unit out of the way here. So I got the hood all shut down here, and now what I'm going to do is stick my hand in here and slide that over. So now, as you can see, my prongs are off those holes, and when I try and pull the hood open, you can't open it. So essentially, it's theft proof. Now how I get it out is pretty rudimentary as well. I take my little poker here and go in, careful not to jab my radiator, and I'll get this little hole that's on the side of this piece of metal, and I'll lift it up. Get back here. I'll lift it up and slide it over, and then there we go, where we can then open our hood. Kind of need two hands here. And there you go. Pretty much theft proof right there. And as long as someone's not carrying along a big old rod with them, or they really don't know how it's locked, no one's really getting in. But that's kind of an idea if you want to make your own hood lock. You just need to find a way where you can shut the hood and then stop your prong, however it's oriented, from moving. And then if you can do that and then get it out again, you're home free and you have a hood lock. So anyway, pretty neat deal there, but that's an idea for you so people don't walk off with some of your valuable engine parts.